If you've been paying attention and watching Onpassive for the last 2, 3, 4 weeks, you can see that the energy level of Onpassive is surging. And obviously that starts at the top with Ash Mufareh. And over the last 3, 4 weeks, Ash has started to share with us as founding members some of the things that are in Onpassive that he hasn't shared before. And it really has taken the vision of Onpassive, and it was already massive, and really just increased it. And as you look at what Ash is doing, and you listen to Ash, and you watch Ash, the energy level is just through the roof. And that has transferred to the founding members. That's you and I, people that are participating with Onpassive. And we see what's coming. The tools of Onpassive, they're pretty much done. What they're going to launch with is pretty much done. They're doing a little tinkering, putting it together, but it's pretty much done. And as I look at the tools of Onpassive and Ash explaining some of these other things that are going to be coming out with Onpassive, and a lot of it's proprietary. I can't put this on an open forum like a YouTube video, but they're awesome, guys. I mean, they're absolutely awesome. Each one of these products, each one of these modules of Onpassive could be a standalone business by itself. And what Ash has done is created a total business solution online. All the tools you're going to need, whether it's the automated marketing platform, whether it's the communication module of Onpassive, and many, many, many other things, they are a total business solution. And what Ash has done, I absolutely love this. You know, if you look online and you look at the tools online, the technology online, a lot of times what people will do is they'll take an old technology, they'll rewrap it, put a bow on it, and throw it out there and say, this is new, come and buy it. And people make millions of dollars doing that. That's not Onpassive. Onpassive, Ash and his tech team in Bangalore, 200 strong, all of this technology is brand new, it is superior, it is cutting edge. And when you look at the technology of Onpassive, it's some really, really cool stuff, because customers are absolutely going to love it. And as we look at the technology and the customers coming in, the vision of Onpassive has just soared. And that's why the energy level has surged. That's why it is tangible today. The people in Onpassive, they are just pumped. Onpassive Nation, we absolutely love the direction that Ash is taking us. And we're getting so close to that point where he's going to come out and give us a date when Onpassive will launch. I believe it'll be in 2020. And when he does that, obviously, we'll come on and tell you. Everybody will already know it. But as we look at what's happening with Onpassive, I really want to address the new people that are coming into this absolutely beautiful picture of Onpassive and what Ash has put together. New people coming in, they're still a little bit confused as far as what they need to do. And that's really what I want to deal with today. As you're coming into Onpassive, remember, Onpassive, automated marketing platform. Automated. You can come in and start participating with Onpassive, and your business will be put on autopilot. Does that mean you never want to share Onpassive with your friends, family, with your associates? No. And the reason we share Onpassive in Onpassive Nation and Onpassive overall, it's because it will change lives. It'll change the way people look at their financial future. It'll change that residual walkaway money that people will make with Onpassive. This is extremely powerful for people that are trying to develop a lifestyle where they have true financial freedom. Onpassive will do that. That's why we share Onpassive. But as you come into Onpassive, remember, it is automated. As you come in, you'll pay the $97 to become a founder. That gives you the ability to participate with Onpassive. It locks you into Onpassive and the pay structure of Onpassive. And I'm not going to get into the pay structure today. But as it does that and it launches to the world, we have to come back in and buy a membership level, $25, $125, $250, $500. Again, that is a one-time payment. You will never have to go out of pocket again. The monthly fee that is in that membership level is paid through the profits of Onpassive. Everything in Onpassive flows top to bottom, left to right. Again, I'm not going to get into the compensation program, but it's important to know that when I talk about customers, and that's what I want to talk about right now. As we look at the founding membership, those individuals that are participating with Onpassive, I believe as Onpassive launches to the world and gets started, that's going to be a very, very small portion of Onpassive, maybe 10%, maybe less. The major percentage of people coming into Onpassive will be customers. And again, Onpassive, AI, IT company, artificial intelligence, informational technology company, total business solution, total personal solution with the tools of Onpassive. And as customers come in, because of the way Onpassive treats them, they're absolutely going to love it. And again, you can go over and listen to a couple of my other videos. When you understand what Onpassive does for customers, you're just in. It'll just blow your mind. But customers will be coming in by the millions. Not hundreds, not thousands, not hundreds of thousands, millions. And the amount of customers that will be coming in because of what Ash and his team have done, it is just mind-boggling. And as we look at us being founders in Onpassive, we get a portion, because we're literally, the founders are partners with Ash, and we get a portion of everything that Onpassive does. And as customers start coming into Onpassive, loving the product, they'll never leave, we get a little piece of that. And again, there's a monthly fee for all these customers. We get a little piece of that cumulatively as founders. And as you look at that, you're coming in, you're paying Onpassive to build your business. Onpassive is going to start building your business, bringing in additional founders, independent resellers of IT products for you, bringing in customers for you, and there's a lot of them. And as you look at your team growing because of what Onpassive is doing, lives will change. So if you're new, continue to explore Onpassive. Run over, take a look at one of my compensation programs. Obviously, if you have any questions, we can answer them. But the founding position today, it is a really, really unique position. It has tremendous value. The amount of money that founders are going to make in a month, a year, 2 years, it's just going to be awesome to see lives change in a really, really positive way, finding that financial freedom that we're all looking for and time freedom. And you're going to get both of those with Onpassive. But the customer side of Onpassive primarily is a customer-based business. Yes, we're able to come in, partner with Ash, become founders, and then independent resellers of the IT products. But it is the customer side that blows this thing, just blows the lid off of everything in Onpassive. And the customers that are going to be coming in using Onpassive, and some of the things that are coming out I can't talk about right now. You guys, you're not going to believe the market that is involved with some of these products Onpassive is coming out with. They're bigger than you can ever imagine. And as you start thinking about Onpassive, whatever you're thinking, multiplied by 10, by 100. And when you do that, excuse me, guys, not even your income, but just what Onpassive is, when you do that, it's bigger than that. That's why the energy level of Ash is so high right now. That's why the energy level of Onpassive right now is just through the roof. These are really, really exciting times. If you're not a founder, I would recommend you run over, take a hard look at it. It is life-changing. It will do things in your life that you never thought could happen. And as you start to understand Onpassive, what they do for the customers, what they do for us, what the business is going to be doing at the launch this year, 2020, it's some awesome stuff. You will find a way forward to literally change your life. That's why we're all here. That's why we're dealing with Ash right now. And I love the fact that Ash is as excited as he is, and that energy level has just really is really just off the chart. And it's so transferable. Everybody on our team right now, they are just pumped. And it really is because of the leadership of Ash Mufareh and Onpassive. And it just trickles down. I know Ash understands that, and obviously I think there's a webinar today. I'll run over, take a look at it. But he's absolutely pumped. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, I recommend you go down there and subscribe to it. Again, I said there'll probably be a webinar later today. As Ash shares more things with us, I'll come on and do another video for you all. Very, very powerful, very, very exciting. And the energy today, it is tangible. And as you come in and start participating with Onpassive, you're going to see that. You're going to get excited. And you're going to get excited about what Onpassive is going to do for you. So that's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Again, if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, go on down below and subscribe. Hit the bell on the right, and you will get notifications as I do more videos. Take care, and we'll absolutely see you on the inside. Bye.